Finding the domain, range, and intercepts of the function graphed below. So for domain is the set of all x values in the function. Range is the set of all y values of the function. So for domain, imagine, if you will, that we had a compression. This was smashing this down onto the x-axis. If we did smash this down onto the x-axis, we would get this shape. Everything compresses down onto the x-axis, and then we go from 0 to 3, hard bracket 0 to 3, soft bracket, because that hole and that hole would compress down and still have a hole at 3, and then from 3 to 6, again soft bracket at 3, 6, hard bracket, or bracket parenthesis depending on the notation vocabulary you use. Okay, great. Now for the y, imagine if we were compressing this graph down onto the y-axis. We would get this shape. That would compress to here. That would all smash down to that shape. Now this hollow dot would be covered up by this part being compressed down onto the y-axis there. Now with the interval notation, when you're doing the x values, you go from left to right because that's smallest to largest values. In the y direction, we go from bottom to top because that's smallest to largest values. So we would go from -4, soft bracket, up to -1, hard bracket, then there's a gap, union, and then it starts from 0 to 4, hard brackets. For the intercepts, we're looking for where this graph crosses the x and the y axes. We have this one and this one. One y-intercept, that would be 0, -1. We are asked to write as an ordered pair. And then we have 6, 0. These are the 2 point forms of the x and y intercepts.